Hello everyone, I am Dr.Meenu Handa. I am the Director for IVF and Fertility at Cloud9 Hospital, Golf Course Road, Gurgaon. Today friends, we shall discuss about IVF procedure step by step. Now with IVF we understand it is called as the in vitro fertilization. So with fertilization means it is a union of the sperm and the egg. Normally this happens inside the body, which is the fallopian tubes. But when for whatever reasons it cannot happen inside the body or the couples are facing a lot of difficulty and they have been advised for IVF, the same fertilization, that is the union of the sperm and the egg, happens inside the lab. That's why it is called as an in vitro fertilization. So once you have been recommended an IVF, what really happens is that with thorough counselling, we call you back on the second day or the third day of the periods. That is a time when we look at your age of the couple, we look at what is the egg reserve, we look at the hormonal tests are done, and considering all of that, a stimulation protocol is decided for you. This is called as a personalised IVF treatment, which is given to all the couples. Now here, the woman is supposed to take an IVF injections based upon all these factors. A dose is decided and she's supposed to take this medication or these injections every day at the right time and generally at a specified time. Now when you take it daily from day 2 to day 10 or day 11, that is a time we do this and we call you regularly at regular intervals to check what is called as an egg growth. How do you measure your egg growth? We do a transvaginal ultrasounds. After calling you on the second day, we call you back on the 5th or the 6th day, and then frequently till the size of the egg matured enough, that is around 18 to 20 millimeters. Now once the egg tracking has been done, so there is a specialized injection which we called as a trigger injection. The trigger is given for the final preparation of the oocyte. And after say about 34 to 36 hours, you will be called back to the lab, and that is a time when the wife gets admitted. Now the egg retrieval procedure is fairly simple and it is painless because it is under short general anesthesia. This is almost like a half a day time that you will need to spend in the hospital. Now egg retrieval generally takes about 20 to 25 minutes and it is done, as I said, under anesthesia, and the follicular fluid is then given to the lab. Now once that goes to the lab and the sperms are also there, so they are going to grade the eggs depending upon what is the number of the eggs that have got, what is the quality, and the oocytes are graded and the sperms are put inside. Now if the one sperm is taken and put inside the egg, that procedure is called as ICSI, which is called as intracytoplasmic sperm injection. Once that happens, the embryo is then cultured in the lab, and on day 3 or day 5, once an embryo means a baby egg, that is formed, that is called as embryo, that is then transferred back into the woman's uterus. Now the final step of the IVF is called as an embryo transfer. Embryo transfer back into the woman's uterus is absolutely a simple procedure. It is an OPD procedure, it's without general anesthesia, and once embryo transfer is done, then after say about 30 minutes of rest in the hospital, you can go back to the house. And before that, we give you certain luteal phase medications. That means these are the medicines that is going to support the pregnancy if that happens for the next 14 days. And you test for the pregnancy test after 14 days of the embryo transfer to see whether the implantation has happened or not.